Hi, this is Daniel Beauchamp. I'm the country manager of Vetoquinol USA. It's a veterinary pharmaceutical company. We are here in Punta Cana for our sales meeting. And I've been using Twitchy to try something new this year, to shoot videos and then also give a sales presentation to my field force. They're coming out of the session with superb videos that they will be able to use for social media and then help us out sell more product. He's been fantastic for us, and then you guys should use him. If you're in the same kind of industry I am, you know, you have product to sell and then you need to use social network, use Twitchy because he's going to be the guy you need.
Outstanding.
Fun, it was energetic.
Best speaker I have ever seen.
Enthusiasm and energy.
Okay, we got to ask you a question.
You need to hear this guy speak. He's phenomenal.
Woo! Who here would love to know how to positively traumatize yourself, the person next to you, and your team? Yes? Pop all that negativity out of your body, yes? And my message to you is this, a guy with Tourette syndrome, is that every single one of you are completely blind to the leadership and the excellence and the brilliance which is inside of you. And you don't want to, do you know, there's just one little thing that you got to do. Look inside of yourself and find your Einstein. That's all you got to do. That's step one. And the other step, by the way, is act as if. When you're looking at a challenge, there's two things I'd like to invite you to do. This is for all the men in the room. Forgive yourself. Forgive yourself for all the imperfections or all the errors that you've ever done in the past. Those are the ones which stop you from getting into the future. And then the other side of that is simply look to wow other people and serve others, and you'll be amazed what will happen. There was this guy in a car, and the car was doing this. I think he had Tourette syndrome, I'm not too sure. And then the reclamo was on, he went, now what you will have done, you will have committed your first random act of kindness. Does that make sense? Because that person will forget about all the negativity. By the way, I'm faking right now, but they're not. There's the recession, there's the challenge, we've got no money, how do we bring people to our area? And then this is where we end up. See that equilibrium? Do you know why YouTube and Twitter and Facebook will never merge? It's because if they do, they'd be called YouTwitFace. How many times do you get hit with an email or a phone call every single day? How many times does your to-do list not have 300 things on it? If you don't hit a level of intensity like what I just gave you, if you want to take Mississippi up to the next level, every time you send out a communication, have them love you, hate you, but not forget you. And that's the challenge. You look at most of the stuff out there, it's bland, it all looks the same, and it's instantly forgettable. If you look through the eyes of your clients, it can never, ever be replicated because you've got the unique spirit and resonance of that person talking about how awesome you are. Now, Vicky, have you ever had a man do you wrong? A man ever done you wrong?
So far, it's been my favorite class for the session.
Wow.
Full of energy, full of information. I can't wait for part 2.
You shouldn't miss this. He's outstanding.
I would like to invite you to change your thoughts to change your life. All I'm saying to you, look, if a guy with Tourette syndrome can become a professional speaker, what the hell is holding you back? Take a look at your weakness, turn it into a strength, because right now I'm in heaven. Because today I can strike it off on my bucket list. I came to Mississippi and I spoke here, finally, in the town of Biloxi. Thanks for your time. Have a great conference. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Charlie Passantino. I'm the Vet Business Unit Manager at Vetoquinol. We've just completed our business unit national meeting here in Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. What a beautiful place. We've worked closely with my friend Twitchy, who's come here to help us with tools and information, web videos and things that we can use to increase our business, to get into social media, to work in an area where our competition is not yet available. We're excited about the things he's put together. He's worked well with each one of us. We'll use them again, and you should as well. Let's face it, salespeople are difficult to work with. They're a tough crowd. Twitchy came and spent 2 hours with my salespeople yesterday, and they all walked out jazzed, ready to go, ready to do some things that we've never done before. I'm sure he can do the same for your salespeople.